This is the Braun, B-R-A-U-N, Paximat International 35mm slide scanner. And it comes with a corded remote unit, so you can change slides. There's a slide up on the wall now. You can change slides just by pressing this button here. I'm just using the wall as a screen. That's John Moorhead at Radio Australia in 1968. So simple as that, and then you can adjust the focus. There's also a focus knob here. That's the Mandora jetty. If it's out of focus, you can just press this focus button here until it comes into focus. There we go. That's in focus now. So this is quite a good, I don't know how old it is, but it works extremely well. I'll just show you the, put that there, just show you around the front. See? Braun. It's made in Germany, international, the lens is as well. And it's a very good slide projector. I would recommend this one to anyone that wants to show slides. You use this cartridge here. I haven't counted how many slides it holds. About 40 or something, I don't know. And here's the change that moves in and out. Let me just get the changer and I'll show you it operating. Here we go. Press the button. See? Very reliable. So that's it. The Braun Paximat International. Just give you a couple more views of how easily it changes slides. Very good. Okay, I'll leave it at that.